If the Mexican pizza ain't everything that I say it is, drop your cash out. I'm gonna cash out. No, I'm just playing. Last time I said that. Some of y'all knew that Popeye's turkey was good, and y'all still was dropping your cash out. What's going on, dope people? So look, y'all, craziest thing just happened. I just got a phone call from a Taco Bell exec, and I answered the phone like, hello. He's like, hey, Dope Dad, what's going on? I'm like, what's going on, man? He's like, all is well, man, out here in Cali. He was like, man, have you checked your email in the last 24 hours? I'm like, no, I hadn't checked my email. What's going on? He said, well, we got you a, whoa. He was like, well, look at this line. Oh my goodness. I hope all these people ain't here for a Mexican pizza, man. Golly, you gotta be kidding me, bro. There's no way all these people here for a Mexican pizza. But anyway, so yeah, he gave me a ring, and he's like, check your email. Lo and behold, guys, I swear it felt like I was in a time machine or something. It was crazy. I checked my email, and I noticed that, I'm so sorry, y'all, this line got me thrown off. This is like, come on. I know these people ain't here for what I'm here for. Can't be. Anyway, back to my story. Oh, you can go in. So anyway, Taco Bell said, check your email. I checked my email. I felt like I was in a time machine, man. He had an offer, for me, exclusive for me, to get a Mexican pizza. And when I was growing up, man, my pops, he used to love those Mexican pizzas from Taco Bell. He used to bring them home, especially after football practice. He was the coach, my little league coach, and we'll stop by there. Typically when we had like long evenings, Mom Dukes don't feel like cooking or anything like that. We used to grab a little Mexican pizza. That was his favorite. I literally hadn't had a Mexican pizza in probably about 20 years. I felt honored, to be the only person to get that email. But I just pulled up, and I don't think I'm the only person that got that email. There's a lot of other people here, and I think they're here for the same reason I'm here. So let's go see. Man, they in here jumping. First person that I walked in, it was 2 people walking out with Mexican pizza, so I was ain't the only one that got the exclusive email. All right, so got my Mexican pizza. Slightly disappointed because I thought I was the only one that got the email. But obviously, I ain't as special as I thought. Who am I kidding? I am special. What y'all think? Should I take it home and let the wifey do a little sample too, or should I just smash right here on the spot in the parking lot? Nah, I think I'm gonna be a good husband. We're gonna get straight to it. We jumping straight in. So I ain't dragging this video out at all. Either it's good or it ain't. Either it's worth it or it's not. Still kind of felt kind of played. I ain't the only one that got that message. And I don't need no fork. I don't need none of that. What's up? Look at that. I don't need no fork. Look kind of dry. I ain't gonna lie. Dude kind of look like this thing been sitting up. Let's see. I'm digging straight in. Oh, I know what we need. Yes, sir. I need my sauces. No, I'm making a video. There we go. Put some of that Diablo. 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 Put some of that Diablo Yeah, he's really the hype. At the end of the day, he's the hype. It's the hype. That's it. People love having something. The app was great marketing to make you feel exclusive. Hey, you can only get this for 48 hours. If you have our app, before we release it to the public. But anybody in the public can get the app. So what makes them so special? Because anybody can get it. I thought I was the only person that can get this pizza, Christian.
Wait, that's actually pizza?
Yeah, it's called a Mexican pizza.
But it's my mom told me it was a taco.
Mm-hmm. You want to try it? You sure?
I'm sure. I just ate lasagna.
You did? Was your lasagna good?
I mean, fine. It was good, but I didn't eat it all.
You did? Why? My dad.
Fine.
You want to try some Mexican pizza?
No, that's a pizza. Hey!
Ooh, Christian didn't try
Is it hot sauce?
it. No hot sauce.
Oh my God.
There's no hot sauce.
Hey, Dad, just a picture.
Ranch.
You
It's
got
not
the-
ranch.
Your ass. Dad, you still a mouth.
Ace, Christian tried it. But you want to try it?
That's a cook.
Oh, okay, gotcha. We finna eat the same meal, right?
Hey, who fish a book there? Who fish a book? Oh, there's a picture there. Oh,
Get down.
there's a. Where you eat the pizza? Hey, where you watching?
If this Mexican pizza ain't everything that I say it is,
Oh.
drop your cash out. I'm gonna cash out. No, I'm just playing. Last time I said that. Some of y'all knew that Popeye's turkey was good, and y'all still was dropping your cash out. Yeah, this was straight hype. This was straight hype. Yeah. I don't know. Man, I can't believe we used to eat that. I think it's more so about the.
Cheese.
I think for people like my age, like if you were old enough, like in the 90s, to remember the old style of the box and the old style of like Taco Bell, it kind of reminds you of like the 90s. And like being a kid. So that's why I think a lot of people went and got this today. Why the line was so long, because it just took them back to the 90s, all the memories. Well, what Taco Bell used to be like.
Dad, is that a
It's like they just put the cheese on there.
Chill, Christian. Chill. Christian, no. Hey, chill, chill.
I feel like maybe it would have been better if I went during the daytime,
Take this book, Christian. Take this
because
book.
it was so many people ordering this, they were probably just slapping this thing together.
Take this book, Christian. No.
Then again, back in the day, this is probably what it tastes like.
Thank you, sis.
But back then, I had a poor man's palate. So, maybe just 'cause I got a rich man palate now. I don't know. Maybe it's that Diablo sauce that's nasty like that. That's probably what it is. I think it's that Diablo sauce that's making it taste so disgusting. Let me put some of that hot in there. Yeah, that's a little better. I'm gonna get about a 4 out of 10. About a solid 4 out of 10. Never really special. Really the hype. Genius marketing. Memories. All I could think about was my dad bringing home 2 of these, you know, in the old style Taco Bell. But other than that, if you miss this trend, you ain't really missed nothing, being real. Says the guy that still smashed the whole pizza. Oh, $5. I ain't wasting $5. So yeah, that we had. So they had fries from a taco restaurant, pizza from a taco restaurant, and wings from a taco restaurant. The wings was busting. I don't care what y'all say. You joke all you want to about the wings. The wings was busting. All right, y'all. Deuces Dope Dad signing out. I'll see y'all in the next video.